Welcome to the Tutorial and Academic Skills Center's Tutor Request How-To Guide. This office is also known as TASC. We will be showing you a step-by-step process on how to request a peer tutor for any undergraduate academic course at St. Mary's. As a note, all tutors are paid for by the college and not by yourself. To get started, go to your My St. Mary's account. Under the Links section, you will find a link for tutoring or Student Success Collaborative, also known as SSC. Either link will lead you through the process to request a tutor. On the SSC webpage, on the right-hand side, click on the Get Assistance button. For type of appointment and service, select Tutoring. Once completed, hit Next. For location, select Tutoring and Academic Skills Center. Then, select the course you are looking to have tutoring in. Pick a staff member will pop up, leave this blank, and hit on Next. If you see options on the timeline portion of the web page, there are already existing tutoring sessions available to you. Click on the arrows for the next few weeks to see if there are any times available. If there is a time available, it is important to know that these sessions have other attendees. In this case, your tutoring will be a small group session. If the time available works for your schedule, click on the time and our system will notify you this is a group appointment. Click on Next. Feel free to add any comments needed. Select how you would like to be reminded of the tutoring session, email or text, and confirm appointment. If there is not a time that works for you, you can view the drop-in times created by the tutor for the course and see if those other hours may work for you. Go back and select the Request Appointment form. At the bottom, provide specific dates and times for when you are free to have a tutoring session. This can align with the tutor's drop-in hours or be an entirely new day and time that works for you. Once you have inputted that information, click Next. You will receive a message preview before sending in your request. If everything is correct, click on Send Request. Your request will be received by the Tutorial and Academic Skills Center. You will receive an email from the TASC coordinator as soon as possible to coordinate a date and time that work for you and your potential tutor. It is important to note that you should expect to meet with your peer tutor until the end of the semester once a day and time and frequency is agreed upon. TASC hopes that this video was informational and helpful. Should you still have any questions or concerns, you can email us at tasc@stmarys-ca.edu or call us at 925-631-4678.